Hello everyone, this is Nancy with Nancy's Foodie Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make my second pork congee. And as I mentioned last time, I was going to show you how to make it with different ingredients. Today's ingredients is from my grandfather's recipe that he used to make for us as kids. And this one would include 1,000-year-old egg, salty duck egg, and also dried oysters. And if you're like me who loves dried oysters, you know how that would smell with pork as it's cooking. Delicious. So I'm going to do that today. However, I'm going to change it up just slightly from my grandfather's recipe. So we used to make it over the stove top with the pork bone and, you know, the back of the pork so it has meat and bone. So delicious. However, today I'm going to use the Instapot, and I'm thinking, how would I be able to get salty pork meat in every spoonful of congee? I figured I will use pork sugars. So I will use that recipe today, and I hope you all enjoy it. And for a short Chinese lesson, I've already taught you how to say pork congee, if you remember. Sao yuk chuk. Okay, this time we're just going to add the preserved duck egg with the pork bone, even though we have the other two ingredients, because most people know this type of congee by that name. However, mine is a little different because most people don't make it with the other ingredients I add in that my grandfather makes, especially the restaurants don't do it that way. So this is my personal recipe, and it's actually really one of my favorite. So we'll just call it Pei Dan Sao Yuk Chuk. Pei Dan is preserved duck egg, or 1,000-year-old egg as we call it. So Pei Dan Sao Yuk Chuk. So it's preserved duck egg pork congee. So I hope you like the short lesson, and hope you really will enjoy the congee recipe that I showed you today, because it is one of my personal recipes. And again, if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, share on our YouTube channel. And again, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you.